Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Drax Hall Plaza, and this is the first plaza to be built in Drax Hall. That's KFC. The plaza has KFC, Pizza Hut, Starbucks. They were the first occupants of the plaza, the first tenants. And then, as you can see, Future Fitness has a massive location down here. Beside them is Sakura, and CPJ has a location here as well. Now, Drax Hall is the fastest growing area in Jamaica, not just St. Ann, in Jamaica. What happened was Richmond Estate was built in St. Ann, and it was a mega success. Very nice homes. So that concept of Richmond Estate, the way the homes were built, the way the area looked, and you can check out the videos we have of Richmond Estate. It's the nicest development in Jamaica, probably the Caribbean. So they started to use that model to build the homes in Drax Hall, but they did it on a much larger scale. I mean, thousands of homes, and it was a huge success. The homes sold out almost overnight, and a lot of people in the diaspora bought these homes. So you have these gated communities, nicely landscaped areas, nicely landscaped homes, and they sold out in no time. So when everybody saw what was going on, the commercial part of Drax Hall started to be developed. And this plaza is actually the first one. And then now we have about 20 new plazas, either under construction or recently finished in the Drax Hall area. And a store like KFC has a location in Ocho Rios, which is 5 minutes away, going in one direction. They have a store in St. Anne's Bay, 2 minutes away in the other direction. Yet they saw what was happening and put a store here in Drax Hall. Courts recently closed their store in St. Anne's Bay and opened up one in Drax Hall. A lot of locations, actually everybody wants a location in Drax Hall. And there you can see the Court store that recently opened. I wouldn't be surprised if all the commercial units here that in the other plazas, this one is fully booked, in the other plazas are already leased. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. And this Starbucks location is the first one in Jamaica to have a drive-through. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what you think of Drax Hall. Have a good day.